4 and the 5. Yeah, nina kahle kahle nifela mina nina, yabona.
Okay.
So that's
So
why
birthday yakho thina siyafa.
yeah, phela thina sinabo malema, we are the two messiahs.
Kosala nina.
Thina sifi musivele usosala.
Ngisho njalo thina. Sure Sam.
Chef.
Ukraine.
Angikran.
No, welcome back ndoda. Siyabonga ukuthi uphinde wabuya. And I hope this time around you will be able to get your message across, because last time bebathi mabakubuza imibuzo bese uba defensive and imibuzo ebebakubuza yona bebafuna clarity.
Yeah.
Hayi bengekho khona. Bebafuna clarity.
Yeah.
But Ukraine.
Ngisharp.
Usharp.
Angikran.
Show for case Ukraine.
Yeah.
Athi sicale sibulise sanibonana emakhaya. Thank you very much for tuning in to 013 Golden Circle. As you have seen now, I'm with Sam Mgcina umkhululi. Yeah, uzokhuluma nje ngazo lezinto eziningi aziphethe. Sam, usiphatheleni mfethu namhlanje?
Awuthi ngizintroduce kahle.
Ufuna uzintroduce?
Yeah.
Oh, go ahead. Introduce yourself. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm an antichrist prophet. The prophet, yeah, the prophet of our mother, the moon.
Yes.
Yeah, the creator of all black people on earth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm here representing the kings.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rulers of this earth at the moment.
Yeah. Okay, asenze so ke. The prophet of our mother the moon, ne? Awusithathe ke mhlambe usibeke I-background yaka mother, ubani umother?
Mother is actually the creator of all black people on earth. So ilento I-creation yaqala the real angithi uGod, angisebenzisa uGod but utata uRa, uAtom. Yeah, so nabalishintsha legama lakhe la kaAtom bathi uAtom. So he's the one who created all, yabona. So he's the one who emerged from the troubled waters that sea is called actually a new. Yeah. So after he emerged from the sea, he created the earth. And then after realizing that actually there is no balance, yeah, and then he had to create the heaven, the heaven which is the negative, which is the kingdom of darkness, and then the earth is the kingdom of light. So that's why it had to have actually a balance. So underground, it's heaven, the kingdom of darkness.
Underground.
Yeah.
It's heaven.
Yeah, it's heaven.
Okay.
Yeah, on top it's earth.
Okay.
Yeah. So umuntu in charge on earth is the moon. Yeah, our mother the moon, the creator of all humans. Yabona. So underground umuntu on charge is the devil, the serpent, the creator of animals.
So uma ngabe ngikuzwa kahle mhlambe thina njengoba sila emhlabeni sikuphi sisezulwini
We are on earth.
we are on earth.
Yeah.
Akusukuthi izulu bese lona likuphi? Where
is
is heaven?
Heaven is underground.
Heaven is underground. Where is hell?
Hell is the prison in heaven.
Also, the heaven is underground. That's what you said.
Yeah.
So hell and heaven into A1 according to.
Yeah, ilento singathi heaven it's Witbank, ne? And then we say
Example nje.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ilento singathi heaven it's Witbank, and then we can say Paxton it's hell, that prison down there.
Awusithathe ke usimikise kuleyo revelation ukuthi mawuzazi uyithola what happened. Take us through. Mina I'm not going to disturb you. Ngifuna wena uyishaye lempahla siyizwe.
Angisho sesiqalile le creation yabo.
Yes.
Yeah. So kwathi so iserpent was supposed ukuthi create ilwane zayo underground, and then serpent it's all about sacrificing those animals that actually he created. And then umama creation yakhe kwaba yithi the humans. So it was supposed to be thina bengamelanga sizibone ama animals were not supposed to see the animals. Yabona ngoba lo was supposed to rule the heaven,
Ulo ubani?
the devil. Okay. Yeah, the one who's calling himself God is the dog. Yeah. So this one broke the rule because manje wenzani lo, he broke the surface. We are separated by the surface of the earth. Yabona, the earth, and then this one broke the surface. Okay. Yeah, when we broke the surface, that's when actually we started to have seas. and ama-river banks uyabona amanzi we're not supposed to see amanzi with our own eyes. So and then kwase kuyamoshakala, and then by so doing so watithrona umama on earth, because manje yena he was doing that because he wanted to rule the boat
lo yena lo sikhuluma ngayo sikhuluma
ngedevil, the serpent, God, the one actually who lied to us and said he created the animals and us and everything. Yeah. So yena he wanted to rule the earth and the heaven. So watithrona umama wakhona ukwenza njalo. So umama was dethroned after 930 years of her rule, yabona. So after our mother was dethroned, he took over, yabona.
it's i-reason yokuthi amdethrone yini?
He's a devil, he's wicked.
Yeah, but there must be a reason.
Yeah, i-reason ukuthi ufuna yena akafuna ukurula ama-animals only. He wanted to rule even the humans. Yeah. Yeah, that was the reason.
So, in your case, which race was made first? Because some say black people were born first, some say whites were born first.
Ngizoza ukuthi how whites were created. Yeah. So lo wena sakadethrone ke wasibona thina, and then when you saw i-creation kamama, what they look like her, yabona. So yena wenzani, he moved his creation onto this earth. Nakamuva le creation waletha ilwane la, yabona, and then we started to live with animals. But yena i-intention yakhe was to create an animal efana nathi with 2 legs.
The question again, usimova to this earth sisuka kuphi?
Thina besiku-earth.
Oh. Yeah. So siku-earth usimuvela to earth.
Thina siku-earth, and then ngizoza ukuthi umama thina wasi-creator kanjani ngoba go to a long story.
Okay.
Yeah.
No,
So indaba manje sengiyithatha the way ingakhona ngikhuphuka ngayo, yabo. Yeah. Ngoba manje sikhuluma ngelento i-creation from the start ukuthi kwa-creator utata, and then for rebalance wa-creator it's a good and a bad, yabo.
I think like my last interjection before uchubeka kune Christianity kune Judaism le oza ngayo silebula ngani?
Thina besingana next on earth.
Is it manje angisho there's Christianity,
Yeah.
there's Judaism, there's Islam, there's whatever.
Khuluma ngama-religion.
Yes.
Thina sinayo religion.
Oh, when okay.
Yeah, manje si-reverse izinto, we want to go back where we were, yabona, ngoba thina besingana religion, singana next, singana culture.
Alright, I know. Cool.
Manje bese ngikuphi ke manje nase
Angisho move from the earth.
Wona say creation,
Yeah.
creation ukuthi yena he wanted to create an animal with 2 legs. So uthena kasibheka, and then he tried to create an animal efana nathi khona ezokwazi ukungena through kithi isdivile, yabona. So wa create ama-baboons nama-apes. But still wathi nakabheka lezi zinto wathi ayi lezi zinto ngiyazama ukuthi zihambe ngenyawo eziyi-2 azikhoni, zihamba ngenyawo eziyi-4. And then weza ne-second plan yakhe wathola isilwane esihlakaniphe njengaye. He's a wolf. So i-wolf ihlaniphile njengaye udevil, yabona. So isilwane sakhona ukuconvince labo mama laba eGarden of Eden ukuthi balale naso, yabona. Yeah, so labo mama balala nama-wolves, the dogs, yabona. So naba busy bachita with these dogs, balala nama-wolves bahambe balala namadoda wabo. They became pregnant, and then thola ukuthi manje ba-impregnate yini yilezinja. And then umntana ke wase waphuma lapho kwase kuqala kuphuma umlungu. So umlungu is an animal with 2 legs, and umlungu yazazi ukuthi ubaba bakhe yinja, so that's why ithanda kangaka. Yeah.
Umlungu uyazazi baba ke yinja, that's why
Yeah, saqala kanjalo ke udefileka ngoba labo mama manje nasebalele nalezinja kwaba nalegazi lesilwane, and then bona nasebahamba baye emakhaya balala nalabo baba bafakela labo baba lento leyo, yabona. So nalabo baba baba defiled, so kwaba easier manje yena ukuthi manje asiqale asicontrol as animals nathi. So earth became iSodom and Gomorrah. Yeah, so nathi we started to sin, we started to behave like animals. So that's why eBhayibhelini athi we became bone of my bone and uthi bone of my bone,
Flesh of my flesh,
and flesh
bone
of
of
my
my
flesh, uthi thina saba yilwane naye. nanjengabo yabona. Yeah, so sasisithola leso scene le generational curse yethu ke le gazi salithola ngalokulala nalabo mama ukuthi balale nalenje. So manje kwenzakalani umama manje nasaka preg uhlala leyo 9 months ile 9 months leyo ukufaka leso silwane ufaka legazi leli asitopile yena likhiphayo ulifaka kuwe manje. So wena nasisuzalo nawe usuzalo nale generational curse leyo. So yiyo lento yenzayo ukuthi kahle kahle thina sizalwe sithwele inyoka basithwalisile for 9 months abomama bethu
basithwalisa inyoka.
Yeah, legazi leli elenyoka ile serpent belonga kuye ama animals anegazi le serpent.
Wena as far as you are concerned mhlambe umuntu maka pregnant mhlambe namhlanje ne uthwele ini umntwana or inyoka?
Umntwana uza uphiyo and then bese umntwana before ezalana on earth mele lo ulento devil uGod wenzani wenza ukuthi lo mama stop ama periods because periods bengamelanga baye kuma periods it's like a sacrifice.
Angisho ngibuzela mhlambe ukuthi uthize thina masizalwa sithwele. Angisho sine
yeah ngisho legazi leli this is a spirit of a serpent.
Angisho phela mkhululi ngokubuzela mhlambe ukuthi ngithola clarity as much as ukhuluma usibeka istory sakho kuba khona la nga-understand yiko ngibuza.
Ngoba umama uthi thina original igazi asinalo. Igazi is a sign ukuthi sine spirit saka God seyisilwane thina.
So njengoba mina nawe njengoba mina nawe sihleli so masilimala siphuma igazi kuphuma
igazi
mixed
with the oil.
Oil
thina we had oil only.
Besine oil singanagazi. So the symbol of the redness kusho ukuthini?
Le generational curse leyo ukuthi sesinomoya wesilwane inside us.
So lo bovu umoya wesilwane. Ayaqhubeka.
So ke yenza kanjalo ukuthi naso babhizi bazala baqhubekisa lento le generational curse.
So therefore umntwana noma azalwa akakenzeki ukuthi abe pure because nayo negazi.
Akasazalwa.
So kushuthi naye una
kanjalo ke.
Uphethe leyo.
But it's easier ngoba wena nawuzalwa nawo uza ne spirit saka mama, your spiritual guide ugogo. Lo kuzela manje kuze kungene legazi kuba i-rival yakagogo. Yabona? So ugogo legazi nalilodwa li1 ugogo yakhona ukuhlula but thina the most cooler ide more zenza izinto zaka devil and then we bring more spirits to fight this gogo. So ugogo akakhona ukusicontrola sesicontrolwa ile spirits devil.
Okay, no, qhubeka because remember you are coming at with something esingayazi because manje ngiba no question ukuthi okay ugogo sekabuya phi. You spoke about umama and as far as isibantu understand asazi ukuthi ugogo ngikhuluma ngomama kaMama or umama kababami. But now this time around this time around
that is the spirit yakini wandlula.
But this time around ukhulume ngomama as the creator.
Bona bayibenza when he took over wenza yonke into opposite. Thina abantu abamnyama sonke sinogogo siphethe ugogo sibiza umama the moon. Bona ukuthi bayi opposite yethu babiza ufather.
Okay, ithi cala according to lento yakho ugogo is inferior to umama. Ubani omkhulu ugogo.
Okay, nangikhuluma ngomama ngikhuluma ngomama wabo bonke abantu abamnyama, the creator of all black people, the moon.
Ngiyathola is question yami phakathi kwaka mama nogogo. Remember ngifuna clarity ngisho. Yiko ngibuza because njengoba ngishiza ukuthi mina ngazi ukuthi ugogo umama kaMama or umama kaBaba. So kulento yakho ukhulume ngomama angisho as the creator. Ne then manje umenshina ugogo. I-question yami ithi phakathi kwaka mama nogogo ubani omkhulu?
The moon
umada.
Okay, no. Ugogo lo part kwakho uye wenzani uthatha ama message from kugogo wenzani in between wena nogogo. Yabona? Yena usenda ama message kuwe from ugogo and usenda ama message kugogo ukuthi wena how are you doing? Yabona? Special guide sakho is
no hayi umphendulile phusha ngisho that's why I wanted to know ukuthi phakathi kwaka mama nogogo ubani omkhulu. So uyasho ukuthi umama. So ugogo uphila ngaphakathi kimi but omkhulu angilento oshoyo.
Creator is our man.
Ikhumbula ukuthi awutsheli mina kunabantu abasibukele. Uyangithola mina mhlambe lento engizibuzayo ngibuzela mhlambe umuntu obukele on that question that I have. Uyangithola i-clarity mina I'm not gonna negate on whatever that you saying ngikuphikise ngifuna ukwazi. Uyangithola Yeah, ngisho that's why wasithinta wathi kune message ofuna ukusitshela yona. So phusha ke message yakho.
So thina sisiza la ukuthi siyacreatewa kanjani ke thina. Okay. Uthi umama sacreatewa thina ngedust. Yabona? Yeah. Uthi the time is createwa ngedust ke thina sacreatewa kwa-createwa thina kuqala amadoda during the day. We are created by the sun.
Masithi during the day sikhuluma ngasemini.
Yeah, imini.
Okay.
Yeah, thina nezihlahla. Yeah, ihlahla siyafana nesihlahla thina. Yeah, so nabasicreator thina basicreator ngedust. Uyabona? Manje ukuze thina siphefumule. The sun, even nalo moya esiphefumulayo manje, the sun is heating the water underground. So the water became a vapor, and then that's how we started to breathe. Yeah, we're still, even today, we're still breathing because of the sun. Yeah, and then ilento ke. So amalento thina, we are the moving trees. Yeah, and then ihlahla lezi zimile amalento immobile trees yabo. Yeah, thina we are the moving trees.
Thina sizihlahla ezihambayo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uthi isihlahla la.
Yeah, isihlahla, your hair represent your leaves. The leaves, yeah.
Manje njengoba ukerile.
Yeah, uyakhona ukukera phela siyabosheba sizimvu, yeah.
Yeah.
So manje, and then at night our mother the moon created abafazi. Yeah, thina sa create with the element of this of the sun, which is ilento. It was the sun, and then kwase kuba earth and the water. Water is represented by a blue color, and then earth is represented by a green color. These are our two elements. Thina sa create ngawo singamadoda. And then umama ebusuku created actually abafazi with an element of fire and the air. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Umama usebenzisa element of fire.
Yeah, hence I'm asking why fire and the air create abafazi ngomlilo nomoya.
Angisho ilento light yakhe. It's called the fire. Yeah. Yeah, it's the light, not like it's a fire, literal fire. Yabona.
That's why I want to understand.
Yeah.
Remember,
wasebenzisa element yakhe yokukhanya, yabona, yeah. So ba create nge-element of the air and the fire. And then kuze manje behliswa abafazi sehla ke. So kwehla le trinity kababa. Le ya create thina, kwehla na le
ithi
trinity.
before mhlawumbe uchubeke. Yindaba amadoda createwa emini abafazi ebusuku.
Nama ngazi ngitshelwe
Wona
kanjalo.
wazi, okay.
Yeah, ngazi.
Alright, no, chubeka.
Yeah, ukuthi okay, maybe I answer this way because the sun, they were created by the sun, and the sun is during the day.
You are not sure ngisho.
Sengiyabona, the sun is during the day, so that's why amadoda angisho created during the day.
Equation ithi why?
It's because they were
Amadoda,
created by the sun. Okay,
Hence equation lalela question.
Yeah.
Why amadoda are created emini then abafazi ebusuku?
I don't know.
Emini yes, angisho shizo njalo. So ungaphenduli into njengoba ushizo bese uyazicontradicta because equation yam was simple, was to say why.
Yeah. So and then ke ukuze thina simeje sihlangane sebe unity, and then abafazi they descended from the sky, and then nathi basithola lana, and then therefore we formed this thing kuthiwa i-Star of David. So ukuhlangana kwethu le star with the island, a triangle facing down, it represents the woman coming from the sky. And then thina the triangle ebheka phezulu is representing us going to the sky.
Who's us?
Men. Yeah. So sase sahlangana sameasure kanjalo. Yeah. So lenkunzi lena ke yenza nina seba take over. Yabhidliza le 6-pointed star yenza i5-pointed star. Yazi yenzani? The 5-pointed star le kalikhanyane le abayenzayo, or le star lezi abazisebenzisayo i5-pointed star, it represents fornication, because thina we are a product of fornication. So the star lezi representa this. That's why it's protruder kancane si.
Umdavazo.
Yeah. So thina into esimoshile umdavazo, nasingalunga umdavazo nizoba right ngoba lento le ingene ngomdavazo. So ukuze iphume kumele nina nihlale for 40 days without having sex, ni fast. That is our only fasting. Si reverse lesini lesa Garden of Eden.
All right. Let's say kulento yakho le uyenzayo and then nayi i couple they become intimate, ne? Uzoyiclassify as what? Fornication or it's not fornication, sins.
Sasa ungena ku-marriage ke manje bese sikhuluma nge-marriage. Ngcono
Cha,
ngi-clarify kahle.
ngisho phela look, I'm trying to understand. You understand?
No,
Because-
fornication is about ukuthi lento uhamba ulala ngapha nangapha and bring a lot of spirits. Yeah.
yazi sengibuzela ini manje mkhululi ne angisho naku wena manje ungusemo ngomgcina unomfazi ne mawulala nomfazi wakho is it fornication or not?
No, it's not. As long as you sleep with one partner. Yeah. Once waphuma yangaphandle we are bringing a lot of spirits inside the house.
So now angisho sikule lesasikhathi lemuva makwenzeka zonke lezi zinto lezo bobani laba bebahamba balala kuze kube that for
Ilaba bafazi bebalala nezinja baphinde balala namadoda. Yeah.
yeah
So
yabona ukuthi
yeah,
iyasibisela futhi
yeah.
so that is why I'm saying
Yeah.
I need the clarity iza nayo kahle.
Yeah, sase siqala kanjalo ke. So thina uthi umama to reverse that sin ngoba yinto yesiphethe la ukuthi thina we must stop sleeping around and stay away from sex for the period of 40 days. Yabona. And then you don't just stop, you also command le imatha is ilenda uGod ayisebenzisayo udevil i-witchcraft yakhe ayisebenzisayo. So imatha is led by from the east. It's a square imatha. It's led from the east. In front of you kuba ulento archangel ulento Raphael. And then at your back kuba ulento yibaban controller. At your back kuba ulento archangel Gabriel. And then on your right kuba archangel Michael. And then on the left kuba archangel Uriel. Yabona. So wena na ukhuluma ke uqala ukucommanda nasicommanda thina sithi I defeat and I destroy the
So
kingdom
lawo
of
ma
darkness.
angels asebenzela thina
Yeah, I am control. That's why banifaka
ayasicontrola why ukuthi asebenzela
I am control.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why umuntu omnyama benzani bamfaka igqathulo. Is ngoba nakalento nawufaka isiqathulo wena uyafluta. But now uhamba ngenyawo they can't control you because kusho ukuthi lapho grounded. Yeah.
Can I ask you this one? Now, since you say you must stay 40 days and 40 nights, so to those who dream about having being intimate,
Yeah, nayiza lapho. If you start this fasting, uzobona lapho ukuthi sex is very much important ku kingdom of darkness because manje when benzani they start to attack you bafuna ukukwenzisa sex in a dream. And once wenza sex in a dream kusho ukuthi so yenzile. And then you can't stop anything eyenzeka edreamini. There is nothing that you can do, but into oyenzayo ilimi is strong basebenzisa lona. So now uqeda ukuphupha uhave a sex in a dream, you cancel. You say whatever happened in a dream that has got to do with the kingdom of darkness, I cancel and I say it will never manifest.
since you are the person ophila leyo mpilo how do I cancel ngicela ungenzele umzekelo
You cancel by speaking.
ngisho njalo yeah ngicela ungenzele umzekelo remember you are coming with something esingayazi Sam ne uhleli la kule platform uyakhuluma because you can't come up with the remedy singazi ukuthi ukhuluma sithini sinikeze mhlambe an example let's say wena manje ne uvuke uphuphe udavaza uthini ke masowulo kanje ukhansela lezo zinto khuluma as if uceda
That is a sin. Yabona?
Yes, into engishoyo
So
engicela ukuthi
as
uyenze.
soon as uvuka,
Yes.
after that dream,
Yes.
wena wenzani uma ngenyawo sikhomanda ngenyawo uyabiza that in the name of our mother the moon, in the name of our father the sun, in the name of myself the star on earth, see Trinity. And then you say whatever happened in my dream while I was still asleep in the spiritual realm, that has got to do with the kingdom of darkness.
asibuyelele futhi remember sifuna clarity la naku ngiyavuka ngiphuphe ngidavaza ne naku ke sengiyavuka kosele ngenzani uthe ngenzani
Uvuka ume ngenyawo must be
ngiyavuka
grounded.
ngima ngezinyawo okay right sengimile
Yeah, you
ngezinyawo
face the east.
I face the east sengifacile east
And then usikhona thina nasithi asithi umthandazo but it's a command. Thina izandla zethu sizibeka kaso senza
alright
i-pyramid.
sengizibekile yeah
Yeah.
phela remember now ngifuna
so yasho ke awuvala
Yes.
amehlo look in the sky.
naku ngibhekile
Yeah, you say in the name of our mother the moon, in the name of our father the sun, in the name of myself the star on earth. I say whatever happened while I was
Yes.
while I was still asleep in a dream in the spiritual realm, that has got to do with the kingdom of darkness. I cancel and then I destroy that dream, and I say it will never manifest on it. Bese uthi thank you mama. That's how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah. So abantu kumele basijwayeze ukuthi whether uphuphila uphuphanga, the first thing that you do is that, because banokukuvala benza izinto bakuvale ukuthi wena ungaboni. Because umama uthi mina I tried to teach my children ngokuthi nasesebancane baphuphe bachama nasebavuka bachamile ukuthi whatever happened there in the spiritual realm, it happens actually in the physical.
Yazi njengoba manje sesikhuluma ngamaphupho ne asithi ngiyaphupha nayo imali ngiphethe phupha ngiphethe imali eningi blind mangivuka ngenzeni ngikhansele or ngichubeke ukuthi lethani lemali angiyabuza
Wena always nawuvuka uphuphile akumelanga ulinterpret i-dream. Try to interpret the dream, you will understand.
Phela remember
When into cancelayo awuthi ucancela wonke ama dreams. You say I cancel the dream that has got to do with the kingdom of darkness.
the kingdom of darkness you said is heaven ne?
Yeah.
Now I'm asking generally because if fornication angisho ukhulume ngokuthi bekulalwa nezilwane na yonke that khuthes, hence you have to ukuthi uyicancel. So sengibuzela phezulu kwendaba yemali ke nawo yabo ngoba imali siyayifuna ukuze izinto zenzeke nawe uyakwazi angisho yikusebenza ne ngizweke ngiyayiphupha ngiphethe leyo mali. I-question engibuzayo ukuthi mangivuka do I say lento lenoshizo I face the east bese ngithi ngikhansela leyo mali or le mali ayize isuka ichazane ke.
But kumele understand the spirituality ukuthi money is the root of all evil.
Angisho
Money is
that's why
about
ngibuza.
evil. Yeah, ngoba thina when they stole our star abosheme nabolkhanyana, they change spirituality into materialism.
So
materialism has got that to do with money.
So as far as lento yakho is concerned noma ngabe ngiyayiphupha imali, since the love of money is the root of all evil funa ngikhansele.
You always cancel if it has got to do. You don't have to interpret it. When I now view just if that dream has got to do with the kingdom of darkness, I cancel.
All right.
Yeah,
Naye hayi no ngifuna uqhubeke ngifuna ukunderstand ne.
Yeah.
So ubona kanjani ukuthi le phupho leli has got to do with the kingdom of darkness and this one has got to do with the kingdom of light? Iliphi iphupho elihambelana ne darkness nephupho elihambelana nokukhanya as far as we are concerned?
That's why now cancel like you say if it has got to do lento. But yathi ngutshele ke lento ngama dreams ke ukuthi ulibona kanjani iphupho
Yes.
elibuya ngale nelingabuya.
Yes.
Amaphupho abuya kumama. Most of the time it's about ukuthi akubonise about dangers ukuthi kwenzakalani kuwe uyabona. So let's say you dream about someone saying to you I'm going to stab you uyabona and uphethe lo mese lo muntu lo but akakwazi uthi uzokwazi. So I dream and a voice khulunywa it's about a future event. Yeah, so once kwakhulunywa wazi ukuthi lento leyo is not happening right now. It's going to happen in the future. So that's why they are giving you the opportunity to cancel before it happens.
So mawu cancela ichaza ukuthi lento le angeke iziyenze ngeke.
Once wakhuluma icancel it ngeke yenzeke. Yeah, so but when our phupha that somebody akwaza without khulunywa probably noise, it's something which is happening in your life. Yeah, somebody is busy stepping you spiritually. Yabona. So but nalapho bayakubonisa ukuthi cancel this thing, yabona. Although as long manje ukuthi lento le is in motion. So kusho ukuthi now you cancel lento leyo ngoba in motion it will take time to be cancelled, yabona, but you must keep on cancelling. Yeah, ama dreams wabona kanjalo yabona. Devil lithanda ukudlala ngama dreams a lot khona lifuna ukuthi ningabathathi serious. Uzokuphuphisa nje izinto ezisnacks wena uthi I just said.
Konje masikhuluma ngodevil ezweni kukhuluma ngoNkulunkulu.
Yeah, uGod yeah.
So on the mantra, please elaborate more on the one. How do they control us using the one?
What?
The one you said it's a square, ne?
The square, yeah, this is ngelosi.
Yeah, everything is a square. It's a square. It's square. It's their portal. Yabona? So yonke into yabo, it's about actually it's square. Without the square, without the matter, they've got no control. Ngoba manje matter is the portal. That's why lento le lama archangels wabo asebenzisa lama element wakhona, so they are always moving from left to right. Their movement is from left to right. Yabona? So umuntu ophethe leyo lento le, i-archangel ephethe ilento element ye earth, Uriel, because the element of earth is the ground. So they move from the ground, and then ke bese le square leso. Yabona? So uyayibona nje nale flag le square. Once you cut this, kwangabe four corners, the witchcraft is dead. So we've been controlled by a square. So that's why everything we square. Later it's a square. Our windows it's a square. Uminyango it's a square. It's a portal. So it's easier ukuthi le mimoya yakhona ingene bebenzela lokho. Ngoba lo gogo lo ozothi uyalwa extract sakho. Lo gogo lo nakalento nakacasta ispell kuwe. That spell cannot happen until it is done by these four angels. Ngaphandle kwale four angels lena angeke isebenze le. So that's why ugogo athi sifake this sign with square.
So the square bese the cross
Yeah, on your left.
Sikhansela lama archangel.
Yeah, angeke izi witchcraft kwenze next. Once we put this cross, because
Ilokana no nyakubamba so when as far as you are saying that portal, that square, lama archangels okhulume ngawo, they are the devil's advocates. Ile nto ishoyo. So kosele just that mhlambe asithi njengale laptop yami la, kosele ibe na that square ngapha emuva to show
ukuthi bangakhona ukucontrol, because even nama phones angisho ayi square. So that's why umuntu aba addicted ku phone ngoba ukastwa ispell lapha ukuthi umuntu abe busy ne phone. So that's why iphone yami if ungayibona la ngemuva, it's got this sign.
Bengithi ngifuna ukubuza lo ukuthi kahle kahle yonke into yakho square in that sign. So that sign is basically cancelling the archangels. That's what you say.
Yeah, babona le sign bayijika.
Right. Ukhuluma ngoShembe noLikhanyane.
Asesingene kuJulius, selingesikhathi nganyana.
Ufuna singene uJulius wenzeni manje? uJulius Muphi?
Umalema ngisho.
uJulius Malema.
Yeah.
Okay. Wenze Julius.
Angisho uyahamba nge-16 April.
Uyahamba nge-16 April uJulius Malema.
Yeah.
uJulius Malema uhamba nge-16 April uya.
Yeah, uyahamba ulento uJulius. uJulius is the Mandela of our time. So uMandela, by the time ashona in prison on the 3rd of March 1981.
Ngicela uphinde lento oyishoyo slowly.
Yeah. Ngithi when Mandela died.
Yeah, in prison.
On the 3rd of March 1981.
1981.
Yeah.
So when uMandela ushona ngo-1981.
Yeah, and then Julius was born on the same date.
When Julius was born, Mandela died.
Yeah.
Okay.
But ugogo uthi this is what they call in the Bible the resurrection.
Reincarnation or resurrection?
Not the resurrection of Jesus. This is what they are talking about, because Mandela refused to die, and then his spirit sakhe seza kulo mntwana lo uJulius. So
before siqhubeke ithi nethu sabambile yaka Mandela mfowethu. Thina sazi ukuthi uMandela died nini lo nyaka lesikhathi lesashona.
That was our fake Mandela. Lo kwakulento kwakufuthi plus uJulius akazi this thing ukuthi the fake Mandela bekuyi cousin yomkhulu wethu. We shared the same grandfather. So it was so he was the cousin of my grandfather.
Your grandfather.
Yeah, so that's why ugogo athi ubabami is the real image yale fake Mandela, because
okay,
they changed image.
Ngiyabamba, but then ngifuna nethi ungidlulise la. Uthi uMandela died ngo-1981. So lo mkhulu lo owaba yipresident ngo-1994 ubani?
Omunye obuya kulineage yethu umgcina naye noMandela bomgcina just batshintsha ibona sazokhuluma.
No, you saying
uMandela umgcina ngokuthi kade utata omkhulu wethu bekumgcina.
Remember, I'm not attacking you. Ngifuna clarity.
Yeah.
You said Mandela died in 1981.
Yeah, the real Mandela. Yeah.
The real Mandela, that's what you say.
Yeah.
And then the person that was inaugurated in 1994 as the first black president of the country, ebesazi ukuthi uMandela. Ubani loyo?
Is the fake Nelson Mandela.
Fake Nelson Mandela.
Yeah.
How fake kanjani?
bathatha umuntu obuya ku-same bloodline bamenza ukuthi uMandela, because they didn't want you to know ukuthi uMandela passed on.
Uyazizwa ukuthi uthini?
Khuluma kahle nje tata.
Uyazizwa ukuthi uthini? Okay, no, fine.
Yeah. Yeah. So uJulius was born on the same day. uMandela died. And then spirits Mandela sangena kuJulius because ulento
The
uMandela,
very same Mandela othize ungumgcina.
the real one. Yeah.
Uthe ungumgcina.
Yeah, bonke abomavele ilineage yama kings bomgcina bonke. It's just ukuthi babatshintsha ama surname ngoba
So nina bakamgcina, you are the kings.
we are the kings of all black people on earth. Yeah. So ke spirits Mandela, it lives inside uJulius Malema.
Okay.
Yeah, because spirits Mandela bengeke singene kuJulius if he was not a bloodline. Yabona. So uReal Mandela naye bekumgcina, uJulius naye umgcina.
It's right. It siyachubeka njalo, but then I need something question. So lento yenu lena ayinandaba ukuthi ayinabuXhosa, ayinabupedi, ayinabuzulu, ayinabuswati. Because Malema is Pedi,
Yeah, but
Mandela is Xhosa. Wena mgcina unhlobo bani?
ngumXhosa but ngakhula ngikhuluma isiZulu angisho basithi.
Okay, bomgcina nabo maXhosa. So lento yakho lena has no tribalism ukuthi ubani yini.
Separate kingdom of darkness yasplace ukuthi
Hence no ngiyakuthola lokho. Angisho mina njengoba ngihleli nawe so ngeliswati. Ngeliswati umXhosa. So ayinakuthi bathi umXhosa or uyini. Okay.
So that spirit Mandela ke sangena kuJulius. And manje uMandela was left with only 18 months to free the black people from slavery.
18 months in
18
which
months.
year?
From the date he died, 1981, he was left with 18 months ukuthi akhulule isizwe. Yabona.
So wahluleka washona.
Yeah. But he resurrected through uMalema. So now he's back ukuthi uMalema nakayijele bamsentence. I-Kingdom of Darkness ithi yamlaya kanti umama uyaba usebenzisa bona ukuthi uMalema ulanda le freedom which is left by 18 months lapha eprison.
So njengoba uMalema attenda icase uyogwetshwa.
Yeah, uyogwetshwa nge-16, the first day yakhe.
Bese uhlala isikhathi esingakanani?
For 18 months.
Le 18 months lebe kufanele.
Yeah, uqedelela le. And then nakaphuma after 18 months, go straight to Union Buildings as a president. Yilento le abayenza bona bayi-actor. Mandela aphuma ejele alento. Yena uJulius uyophuma ejele and goes to the Union Buildings.
uJulius makaphuma ejele after 18 months.
Yeah.
Uba president
Uba
yase
president.
South Africa.
Yeah. And
Ilento isho.
And the president of the ANC.
Uyobuyela back to ANC.
ANC organization which actually was formed to congregate all the African nations. So a Kingdom of Darkness yayithatha le organization yayisebenzisa endaweni zayo. So uMalema is the real leader of the ANC. Yeah, manje since uMalema ay king, we don't do voting. So that's why
So it's gonna
uMalema
happen.
angeke neze nimvotele ukuthi abe yilento. Since thina siyarula spiritually manje. So just manje uMalema is left with this 18 months nakaphuma bese uba president.
And then okay, i-question engiyibuzayo ukuthi how are people going to be convinced to say now uMalema vele makaphuma he's going to the Union Buildings, because you see there's a lot of opposition.
Abazi mengazi abangimamele bona nje cha.
Wena nabangakumamela nje yonke into izoyenzeka.
yonke
So i-message le oyiphushayo, is it a message that is bringing hope or bringing destruction?
Abantu ngiyazi ukuthi uMalema ipolitiki once Malema wangena eprison it's dead.
No,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, ngifuna ukunitshela lento ukuthi ipolitiki has always been actually a sketch which was played by the reptilians. All the people who are in politics are reptilians. Yeah, the wolves in the sheepskin, laba abafana nathi but they are not us. Bangabelungu phakathi. Yabona. So ipolitiki iyo le game le yayidlalwa ilo god lo nalama reptilians laba boZuma, abo Ramaphosa. They are not real humans. They are reptilians.
Bayizinyoka.
Yeah, bonke lo. So that's why politics is an end to politics. Malema once were ejele on the 16th because all these organizations, they were against the king, they were against Malema. Even the people around Malema, they are reptilians, most of them. Bamgadile benza the same thing that lento le abayenza ku Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela abo Sisulu nabo Tambo, they were reptilians. We were watching this.
Mhlambe for in simple terms nje mawukhuluma ngama reptilians ngicela uchaze ukuthi yini ama reptilians.
Ama reptilians ilento ama product lawa akalento aka devil lawa alento inside bayilwane like singathi abelungu, but they wore our skin ukuthi bafane nathi. It's not easy ukuthi babone, just like example uZuma is a reptilian.
With that said, Mkhululi, i-message oyiphethe ne ngizwe kahle, the message le oyiphethe with whatever that you're saying, is it a message that brings hope or a message that brings like a message of destruction? Hope. It brings hope. Okay.
Yeah,
how so? Because now you're saying the people that are surrounding Abu Malema, they are reptilians. They are actually izinyoka, abelungu that are covered in black skins.
Yeah.
How is it the message?
Le game by player all along. Ukuthi they will always king Naizalo will always fight for liberation. Ngoba a king inside yazi ukuthi we are the kings, we are the rulers of all black people. So our kings will always fight it. So that's why our kings bungabo mgcina but bona baba chincha ama surname. We are distributed all over the world. Yabona ngokuthi abafuni lento le ukuthi abantu ba notice ukuthi each and every generation kuzoba nomgcino ofightela freedom.
Distributed all over the world.
Yeah.
Out of curiosity maybe, kukhona umuntu oqabanga njengawe eEngland?
Mina I'm the only prophet on earth, Baba. There is no one who knows what I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
On that case, can we, since you talked about Julius a few, can you also tap into the why is the flag on the table there? Why did you
Oh yeah,
No.
le usho yipi?
Na iflag le. Yeah. Yeah lapho. Ufake la. So asibambe so. Boyibheke lento manje.
Yazwa ukuthi ibhekanje.
Bekumele ibheke so because this is lo akumelanga ahlale phansi phezulu.
Yeah, ngisho siyenza kanje.
But already must be okay. I think ibambe kanje. Yeah, milihlale kanje. But bekumele ibeka right, but we'll see.
It's fine. Angisho manje uyachaza.
Yeah.
Kusho kufanele ihlale ka right. Remember ngisho uza na something esingayazi.
Yeah. So this is our flag. Since Julius ayejele phela thina sesiprepare ukuthi we are taking over on earth. So we are putting in place what is ours. Yeah. This is our flag. Flag is South Africa. So thina we are the real Israelites.
Yeah, we are the real Israelites.
Yeah, we are not in South Africa anyway. We are in North Africa. They lied. They turned things around. Yeah. So this is our flag. This is the Star of David. Angisho ngitshele nge-creation yethu ukuthi kanjani. So everything about us resonates la. This is our heartbeat. Yabona. So thina our earth is on the right. Bona their earth is on the left.
Who's bona? Who's the bona?
The kingdom of darkness.
Okay.
Tina, we are the kingdom of light. So our earth is on the right, and then their earth is on the left. That's why they move from left to right. Tina, si move from right to left.
Samba anti-clockwise.
Yeah, anti-clockwise. Yonke into iti anti-Christ, anti-fat. Yeah. So lento lena le is our earth. It's green. This is our colors: green, yellow, and white. We must have these colors on our right hand side. This is our power. Yeah. And then on our left, balance. Lama colors lawa but tina it's red, blue, and white. Yeah, lama colors lawa thanda kingdom of darkness. Ngoba bona they replace white with black. Yeah, njenga ama colors we see. yeah, ama-colours abathakathi lapho.
Oh, uthini ama-colours asewisile, ma-colours abathakathi.
Yeah. Yeah. So Tina move from this side to this side. But so this is the lento.
It's
our east.
Sorukhatho zochubeka.
This is our east.
Red and white, ikhala yabathakathi.
Sangizobuyela emakhaleni.
Cha, yes or no, it's a yes or no question. Hayi ukuthi sibuyele emakhaleni.
Okay, ithi ngichaze kahle lento. Ilento green, yellow and white, icolor ye earth. And then for balance, icolor ilento is red, blue, thina sebenzisa white. Bekumele kube white. Thina nasigqoka nasigqoka ka left. We wear red, blue, and white. The Kingdom of Darkness, because they belong to the Kingdom of Darkness, they do it. They wear red, blue, and black. The color we say labathakathi. So sometimes if they replace black, they use gold. So when I go to skipper sakho say golden 013, that color when we are wearing black and white, because gold is a substitute to black. And then the
So
blue
Tina
is
is 013 golden circle sambe kukhanyeni.
hayi ebumnyameni ufana nokuthi ugqoka isipelede sakamzethe angisho isipelede sakamzethe simnyama awazi wena bayezenzile lento lesiyabona so na ugqoke lesipilento ilento isekele emnyama kusho ukuthi uyazishelo without saying a word uyazishelo ukuthi wena your eternity is in hell. No, your eternity is in hell. Kusho ukuthi kumele bakuthathe before time you spend time lapha hell. Yabona njengalabo bamzethe bavumile babafaka lento nesquare ngisho bese bafaka lesekele emnyama. Yeah, bavumile ukuthi ngale square ba controller I devil. And then ngale circle but their eternity belong to hell.
Buyela futhi kule flag yakho.
Yeah, this is our east. Le east yethu lena ile color red. Yeah, and then when we move then lana it's our south. South yethu representwa yini color yellow, which is the air. And then this is our west. Our west is represented by ilento, blue color, which is the water element.
So what do the circles stand for?
Eternity, Tina, we are represented by a white circle, eternity. We don't die, Tina. Yeah.
Are you aware ukuthi since manje this thing le yakho le oyipushayo and stuff kuba khona abantu abazobukela abayibhekile lento lena who are like saying you are now being blasphemous?
Abakuthathayo. I mean, I don't care. I mean, I just pass the message and I pass. It's whether you take
even
it or not.
Even if it's blasphemy, you don't care.
If you believe that, if the nyoke phakathi kwakho ikutshela lokho, then that's why. Hlala wena ungathi ulento, ufast sex, khiphe lento, and then you'll think, okay.
Just to be clear to the viewers, we see our South African flag should be that one.
Yeah. Hey, that's why sihlupheka kangaka after 1994 into eyenziwa Ramaphosa la inyaka.
But this flag came in before Ramaphosa, isn't it?
Uye no Rolf Meyer benza iflag. Uye.
Yaqhubeka chaza. How is it?
So lena we are very much protected. So njengoba izi Babylon izosihlasela ngoJune. Akuyi ngokuthi baneyibhame ezingakanani in we are strong spiritually ilento esoyifaka.
Hence you see now iBabylon iyeza izosihlasela ngoJune. I asked you ukuthi the message oyiphethe is it a message of hope or destruction? Now you're saying ngoJune siyahlaselwa. Ne? Now to somebody that is sitting and watching us talking ngalento le, ihope ikuphi makulapho, because now masikhuluma ngokuhlasela sesikhuluma ngokubulawa kwabantu.
Yeah, ilo God wenu ukwatile ukuthi manje ilento irule yakhe on earth.
Then abantu keke basindiseka kanjani ke?
Abantu kumele balandele mina, we use only signs, we use this flag, and then umama uzosiguide ukuthi lempiso yilwa kanjani and soyinqoba ngoba umama uthi kumele siyiqede within 3 weeks.
Umama
our moon, the mother, the creator of all black people. Yeah.
Uthi kumele kulandelwe wena. Ne? Now, la sengiyakhona ke ukuthi mawuthi kulandelwe wena usemalahleni eWitbank 1039. Umuntu ose Cape Town ukuthola kanjani kuze azokhona ukukulandelela akhone ukuncedeka asaveke from the attack that was that we are facing currently apparently ngoJune.
Mina-
Ukuthola kanjani umuntu ose-Cape Town?
ngiyatholakala mina ku-TikTok, I'm an Antichrist Prophet Samuel. Ngiyatholakala ku-Facebook, I'm Samuel Mgcina nje there. Yeah, mina inumber zami 060 387 6790. Yeah, 060 387 6790.
Okay, bese ke bheka ke mkhululi ne angifuni si exhaust ezinye zezinto. I think you've said what you're supposed to say. Mafleck now usikhombisile, and there's also a timeline apparently. The timeline le ekufanele sihambe ngayo silandelele. I think iyo le timeline le kuchazayo.
Ayibamba la. So thina our time okay, angizama ukuyenza ibe
Angisho
short.
kune first trimester, second trimester.
Yeah, sisebenza ngama trimester thina. So from 12 midnight siqala lapho.
Any 12 midnight. Okay.
It's the start of our day.
Okay.
Yeah, i-first trimester yakhona ilo 1, 2 and 3. Yabona. Bese i-second trimester kuba i-4, 5 and 6.
Kwenzakalani within those trimesters? What should happen? What's happening? Mawuthi isikhathi sethu siqala la.
Is the movement of the moon or the sun.
Is there anything specific happening kulama within these
Yeah,
trimesters?
ukuthi isikhathi sokucommanda yabona. Sinosikhathi sokucommanda
Sikhomanda ini kubani njani?
i-kingdom of darkness. And ngisho sisazokwenza nama-sign ngizobathwalisa labo. Kumele benze lama-sign lawo Illuminati lawo.
So
Lawo
labantu
bewa-church.
yeah sibeke phansi samsetini. So labantu laba ekufanele bakulandele la within the trimesters into isho ukuthi isikhathi sama command.
Yeah, isikhathi sama-command ukuthi kumele sicommande this time when the sun is in this position.
Asithi 12 sikhomanda
Okay,
ukuthi ilanga
kumele wazi
malivela.
inkathi zethu kuqala.
Yes, angisho yila nto engakutshela yona ufuthi awuyenzi.
Yeah.
Lento mangikubuza la awu understand into engikubuza yona bese ufuna ukuphendula utwayi lwakho.
Yeah.
Ungangithola. So that's why ngibuza. Yabona iquestion yami ngikubuza yabo ngiphinda into e1
Yeah.
ukuthi asithi thathi trimester e1
Yeah.
ngo12 ebusuku.
Okay, no, sisiqale ukuthi inkathi zethu it's 1, 3, 5, 7,
Isikhathi zokwenza.
7 and 9.
Isikhathi zokwenza.
Inkathi ubani isikhathi manje is ngo-12 isikhathi se-kingdom of darkness. I-kingdom of darkness I think phamisa la ngikhombisa ukuthi yenzani. Yabo in each and every trimester ne kuba these lines le lines le before we move to another trimester or we move to another zone laba ilabo 0 laba 0 0 0 0. So ilento u12 belonga la njengalo yambona u12 la from la. Yeah, so from 12 nalama points lawo ilama gap bona bazenzela isikhathi sabo kwaba u2 4 6 8 10 12. Thina kahle le inkathi lezo abo 2 4 6 8 10 12 asinazo ilezi abazicreatela bona because why they move babheka i-movement of the sun and then bese bagada itsi yabona. Yeah, ngoba lana kuyaphunyulwa isun liyahamba lihambe liphumule lapha liphumula khona bayazi ukuthi liphumula for an hour.
I stand corrected mhla ungiphendulile mhlawumbe ukuthi what are we commanding within the trimesters like
Ngithanda lama archangels angisho
awusho.
and sicommanda kay 3 times a day.
Uyabo ngijeni ngada ulaleli nawe self.
Okay, sicommanda.
Remember I said
sicommanda i-square, sicommanda imatha.
Icala Sam angisho uza nento engingayazi.
Yeah.
Mina phela mangikhuluma so ngibuzela mhlambe nalo hleli phansi. Uyangithola? That's why ngibuza ukuthi within lama trimesters now i4 ne wathi siyacommanda azange kungitshela wangitshela ngama time zone mawubuya uthi ngishizo ngathi sicommanda ama archangels
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngishiyo.
usho
Okay, sicommanda 3 times a day.
ini
Sicommanda the matter, the square, this archangel of darkness.
ukuthi
Zisuke kithi singasicontrol. Then we must say it with our mouth.
bese sengibuyela back to equation yami yomuntu ose Eastern Cape. Yes, uzokuthola digitally ku Facebook na yonke la khutesi ukuthi TikTok nezinamba zakho uzibizile. So i-ministry yakho I can call it a ministry if I want to. I don't know. Akusi ministry or whatever lento yenzayo. Ne? are you limited ukuthi uye kwenye i-province or uphelela la Witbank kuphela?
I'm not limited, but Tina, we don't do our gatherings because sisebenza ngo-9.
Asenze so.
Umada wathi
Ngicela ngicela senze so. Angisho no ngikulalele phela mina uthe thina and you said there's no one else.
thina abantu abamnyama nikhona nina nithi salahlekile.
Yeah, remember, yes.
Yeah.
Remember. Mawuthi thina ne ukhuluma as if umunye umuntu okulalela ngacabanga ukuthi
hayi sesibaningi manje bakhona balento esikhuluma nabo bayenza vele.
but you said you are the only one.
The first time ngasho ukuthi I'm the only one,
Namanje
but
ushilo.
khona engikhulumayo abangizwayo
Sam.
and then siyakhuluma. Yeah.
Uthe mangithi mina eEngland ngenze umzekelo ngeEngland wathi okwamanje you are the only one.
Mina I'm the only prophet yimi indent umqali wendlela.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wena mqalo wendlela into engiyibuzayo mangithi mina are you only limited to a Witbank? Nah. Mangabe uthi yes or uthi no, ne? Yiziphi ezinye izindlela ozenzayo to get your message across?
Wena njengoba ukhuluma ngeCape Town, I'm not limited. Ngingaya eCape Town if maybe there is some people who need the knowledge. Yabona? Yeah, ngaya ke Cape Town. Even but we don't use the crowd party. Mama uthe we can use what they've used against us. Yabona? So sometimes if khona umuntu ongaorganize ukuthi hayi man khona abantu abafuna ukuzwa ngalento le, I've got no problem with that.
What are some of the symbols you see we should start using that they used against us? Or they told us is bad?
Ama-symbols. Yeah, ama-symbols. Qala kumele wazi the meaning of your fingers. So this one is the key. Yabo? So this one is the light. This one is the sun. This one it's you. And then this one it's our mother, the moon. Yabo? So basubhekele ungizwile?
Mina ngikulalela.
Ngiqala.
Qhubeka.
Othi ngiphindele futhi. This one is the key. This one represents the key to light. This is the light. Number 2 is the light. Low number 3 will represent our father, the sun. This one represents you, the star on earth. This one represents our mother, the moon. So a trinity yet is this one, is this sign. Yabona? So when we raise izandla zethu nasibhekenele la ngasenza lama sign, we raise it on the side to form our cross. Our cross ile uX. Yeah. Nasi raise a seat. A seat. Once we would do this, we are doing imata. Yabo?
Archangels.
Square.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you do that. And another thing, lento le lama reptilians angisho asifundisa thina this thing yokuthi sithi amandla. Nasenza kanje lama reptilians
Can I challenge you? Ngicela ukuchallenge.
Ngabe ngiyekile ngaqeda man.
Yeah, no ngiyabuva because lento
yeah.
le engikuchallenge ngayo
Yeah.
uzoyenza mangabe le challenge uyayi accept.
Yeah.
Ngicela uye in a public space guy one.
Yeah.
Uphathe I gramophone whatever in loudspeaker this.
Yeah.
Ushumayele lento oyikhulumayo.
If I'm invited,
No.
Angeke ngibiza abantu. I
Hence,
don't
no,
do that.
no, that's why ngithi ngicela ukukuchallenge. You understand? Why ngisho so? Mina ne013 sizaze sikwazi besikwangwazi. You came to us. Am I wrong?
Yeah.
You came to us. Am I wrong? Wrong.
Kanti ngisifaka phansi kwetrack.
Cha.
Okay.
Am I wrong? Am I wrong now?
Yeah.
Angikho wrong.
We are
angisho.
not.
Yes,
Yeah.
you came to us and said umkhululi here you want to talk about issues of spirituality na yonke la khutesa ngisho then you gave us a link to another.
Oh yeah, okay ngizoyizama i-microphone uzonginika ibhika uzongiboleka ibhika.
Yabona uhlushwa into eyi-1 yazibona uhlushwa into eyi-1 lokungalaleli bese uphendula ucwayi lwakho nithi mina can I challenge you? I don't need to give you speakers but then angisho look mkhululi because it will be selfish of you uthi uphethe information uthunyiwe umamakho the moon nabogogo na yonke lento le uyangithola bese no I won't say umama mina okwamanje ngisesebumnyameni ngiright lapha ebumnyameni uyangithola bese uyahlala uyathula usibukele sifa sisi.
Ngiyazama ngisho ilento kuma platform ngisebenzisa wona.
Hence ngicela ukukuchallenge, don't use only these platforms. Thatha ido kanje amplifier about the amplifier uyoma lapha erenkini uyabona right down lapha ngaseda yini leya park le vele ushaya uthi awamada the moon this
Hawu mama nakavumile manje umama akavuma ukuthi ngenze imisangano mina. Kingdom of Darkness enza imisangano kakhulu. Bengiseyithi ngisakutshela le sign le.
No, hence I challenge because mkhululi you can't come to us and say kunento kanje bese mina on behalf of abantu ngithi sisize angisho ukuthi ngumkhululi sikhululeke by accepting that challenge and go there. That's my plea. So
ngiyenze mina ngisuke ngiyobulento abantu mina I can only go to people who are interested to hear. Angeke ngihambe ngispeak ngiyotshela idakwa mina ngalento lena like who's going to listen to me.
But you came to the 013 Golden Circle encompasswe
the social media platform
podcast
yeah
but then umkhululi but icheke now uyibheke as out angisakhulumi nawe mhlambe njengokuthi yini kai mafasing uthunywa uMother the Moon sengikhuluma nawe semgcina uphethe something ezosiza abantu yabathanda ngisho.
Mara manje sengiyahamba mina uJulius phela nakahamba aye le prison ukhulula mina eprison ngiyokunika lento lo mina on the ground and mina manje ngibele ngiyoface yo leader le army le ekumelilwe nalama Babylonians.
Yiphi army njengoba
uzoyibona wena thula wena umamele uzoyibona.
Yiphi le army ngoba ufuni ukuyilanda lapha ngithi thathi amplifier mina uyobiza le army awufuni udwenza umsangano.
Wena ufuna ukenzisa umsangano wena.
Just in closing, please finish off. So, Masenza, so why?
Lama reptilians lawa alento azibiza vele ama comrades vele uthi umama ilento ama con artist means con artist. So la yeah bonke be playing us ukuthi bafuna freedom bekuyizo lelwane lezi. Uthi lelwane lezi zasifundisa ukuthi thina nasithi amandla sithi we clench the fist. Uthi leyo sign yayisho ukuthi siyawavala lawo mandla layo. Nasithi freedom city siyayivala. So umama uthi freedom yethu it's an open arm. Yozoyithi so yeah now uthi amandla uthi amandla awuthi wathi
so with that
ama signs ayasebenza once we would do that universe will respond that way uthi wena uthi hayi wathi amandla but isign ithini opposite universe yazi ilanguage yayo ama signs.
With that said mkhululi I think this episode will reach masses. The information lo ikhulumile ifinyelele kibo sithemba ukuthi abantu bazosuka ebumnyameni as we are saying ukuthi sisebumnyameni sikhohlisekile sithemba ukuthi mhlambe as time goes on da khutesi leyo iphethe brawami sizoyinandela I don't know angaze enhle ukuthi ngithini but yeah brawami thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I hope i-message yakho nawe uyazizwa la uhleli khona manje ukuthi no ukhonela ukufinyelela ebantwini. Uyangithola ukhonela ukufinyelela ebantwini and like you said uyatholakala ku TikTok, uyatholakala ku Facebook and surely obvious ushizo before siqala ukuthi sekunabantu abahambisana nawe nale message oyiphethe yeah no angifuni ukukhuluma amaningi mina I think yeah.
There's last closing words on your side.
Yeah, this year 2026 umuntu omnyama kumele abuyele back abe spiritual ayeke lezi zinto ze materialistic lifestyle ngoba once uJulius wangena in prison on the 16th isukile because uGod ukwatile because his rule on earth is over.
16
April.
16 April.
Yeah, from there, after 50 days, it's when actually the world is going to attack us. America will strike after 50 days. And then when you count this day, it is on the 4th and the 5th. And then that is my birthday. Why, Glusolani? I'm the reason why the world is coming to an end.
So
taking... non-peace, ngimidavaza, ngimidavaza, ngokujive. Hayi baba
so ngiyabuza so manje 2026 siyafa
yeah ngizafa if ungabi spiritual so that's why mele sinifundise ukuthi inkati zethu sihamba kanjani ukuthi senza kanjani sikhomanda kanjani kuzomela nikhomande this time
ithi cala before sami asithi kuyenzeka lento ikhulumayo ayenzeki ngaleyo date. What then?
le ibuya kumama le akusiyo.
Angisho hence I'm asking.
Izokwenzeka.
What if? That's the uyabona uphendula. What
We are
if?
casting doubt in me. Mina I don't have a doubt. Once while you say if, we are doubt lento le unika space kingdom of darkness ukuthi ikufakela ama doubts. Mina ngithi izokwenzeka ngoba le message le ibuya kumama. Ayifani nale rapture ibuya kulenja. 16 April malema is going to start his sentence.
Sengisho ukuthi thina athekwa nini phela.
Uqala ukubala lapha that 16 is the first day. Actually 16 lezo is 15 of March. Ilento calendar yethu. 15 of March. So from the 15th of March you count 50 days. Kuzoba i-birthday yami leyo between mina ngazalwa nge-4 June between the 4 and the 5th. Yeah, nina kahle kahle nifela mina nina yabona.
Okay.
So that's
So
why
birthday yakho thina siyafa.
yeah, phela thina sinabo malema we are the two messiahs.
Kosala nina.
Athina sifu musivele usosala.
Ngisho njalo thina siyafa. Kosala wena noma.
Yeah, mara ufana uvumile. Once in the what wa continue wa prayer in the name of Jesus Christ. Uyahamba. So now wafuna ukuphathwa umalema after 18 months now uphume ejele. Ayithandaza uJesus Christ baba. It's a suicide. It's a good suicide.
Right. Thank you very much for tuning in. Now magama wokugcina wakamkhululi. We hope you enjoyed the episode. Uma singabonananga this time sesiyobonana ngale ebumnyameni njengoba asho umkhululi. Angisho joking.
Yeah, nimtshela imessage lapha ukuthi uthe umkhululi umnqondo nje.
Yeah.
Nanifika le.
Ilento ayishoyo kumkhululi. Yeah, with that said, thank you for tuning in. Continue to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment. Your views are very important to us. They mean a lot because we do go through them. We go through them. Yeah. Don't forget, as guy said, to like and subscribe to Facebook, Twitter, X, and TikTok. Golden Circle, we're shooting blanks. No harm done. Basivalele ngelinye igama ngelibize. Thank you very much. Sam,
Sure.
thank you.
Sure.
Eta.